guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and this is my Christmas junk journal thrift store haul, episode number 2 for January 2021. Happy New Year. If you have not seen the first video to this haul, go ahead and check that out. I'll have a link for it down below, and I hope you guys are doing well this year. I'm excited for 2021. Glad to see 2020 behind us, and everything is just can only get better, I hope. So I pray that you guys are all safe and healthy and are just having fun with your crafting at home. And yeah, let's get on with this haul. So I received things for Christmas, and then also had gone to a thrift store and an antique mall with my daughter over Christmas and found some fun things to use in journals and also to resell. I'll start over here. These were from an antique mall. I thought these were really fun. They are calendars that would come out at Christmas time, and from an insurance company, and they had a bunch of them, and they were I'm going to use these pages like at Christmas or 4th of July, or just with any theme that the pages would go well with it. Obviously the first page here would be like for Christmas, but or winter theme, but the others I can use for whatever. So I bought 5 of them. They were $2 a piece, I believe, but I can use these a lot. So there's this one with the bell, and then the ornaments, the snow theme, Christmas trees, and then this winter theme. And they appear to be from the 60s. So I thought those were really cool. And then also I found this bag of popcorn bags and boxes. It was $4.50, and there's about 21 of them in here, and I'm hoping to be able to either use probably the bags would be used in journals, and then the boxes I can use as covers for journals. And so I just thought that would be really fun to do. I always look for new and fun things to make covers out of, and these are just, I love them. And I never knew that there were so many different kinds of popcorn. So I'll just go through these real quick here. These are really cute. Glassine. I love these old popcorn bags. One. And here's some more. Those were the bags, some of the boxes, and here's more boxes. Here's one from Cirque du Soleil. And then Mr. Delish popcorn. Really cute. And see, it has like I'll have to reinforce the edges, obviously, but I'll come up with something to be able to make this into a cover, because that's a perfect size there. And then it has the instant spine, but I'll definitely have to cover, make them thicker. But that will be fun. Even like these red and white ones will be fun for 4th of July or whatever. I mean, I can use them for... I shouldn't have done that. Now I gotta get this back. Well, I'll have to put that back. I don't want to rip it. That one's fun. French fried popcorn. I would love to try French fried popcorn. This one says 1937. That's cool. Jolly Time, 1939. It's amazing how these are still so nice. Being that old. eat fresh, seasoned, wholeless popcorn. These would make cute little journals. Fresh toasted popcorn, 1937. Processed popcorn. And that one's fun. And Colonel King. Really cute. I love that. It was fun to find those different things. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with this, but as an add-in, I suppose. It doesn't look very antique. Let's see. And then I found an Alice in Wonderland book. And if you've been following my channel, you know I have made Alice in Wonderland books before. So I was happy to find this. And I'll have to erase that, of course. But this one is from well, it says 1951. But this is probably since there's a UPC, I'm sure that it's probably from like the 80s that they redid it. But I love that cover, nice and colorful. I found Annie, and does this have the record? I think it did. No, it doesn't have a record. This is just a book. But I loved Annie. Growing up, we watched it all the time, and I still love to watch it. So I thought that was fun. And then I found this for my Christmas journals. It's a fun Coca-Cola book. It has lots of fun images with Santa and Coca-Cola bottle. It's a newer book, but it'll still be fun to use in journals. And then I found these. These are awesome because I love Raggedy Ann. So there are 4 of these, and I think they're one of those books that you order like every month or whatever. They're from 1988. This one is like a teacher guide or a parent guide, and then there's 1, 3, and 4. But I love Raggedy Ann, and as a kid I had a Raggedy Ann bedroom, and so yeah, it's fun. So I'll use these in journals, or I may resell these, I'm not sure, but really cute. Adorable. Really cute. All right, so that is the rest of my haul from Christmas and the beginning of July or beginning of January. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm Creative Crafticality there as well. And also I will have my links for my Etsy shop, and I resell items on eBay as well. So I'll put both links down below, and be sure to come back. My next video will be my 2021 calendar that I made for just my planning and everything. I find that I use the calendar a lot more up on the wall than when I was doing my Plan With Me videos. I loved decorating the planner, but wasn't very consistent with it. So as far as writing down things in the plan, to do my planning. So I found a calendar kit from Authentique at Trader Joe's at Tuesday morning. And so I picked that up, and I'm going to be doing a little craft with me to show you how I did the pages in that. So come back, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.